Hi, I'm Colin Schmidt, Associate Product Manager for Vermeer Corporation. Today I'd like to discuss the correct way to rotate teeth on your Vermeer cutting system wheel to maximize component life and help prevent excess wear. Let's take a closer look. When examining your wheel, you can identify different sets of cutter teeth in different locations. First, let's take a look at the plunge cutters. This set experiences constant wear when grinding. The most important thing is to keep this set sharp to ensure the best cutting performance. When the plunge cut teeth become dull, move them to the lower side cutter position as marked in blue. Teeth in this position can operate with wear while minimizing the impact on cutting performance. After the plunge cutter set, sets 1 and 2 are the most critical to performance. When these teeth begin to wear, flip them to the other side of the wheel to expose a fresh cutting edge. Sets 3 and 4 are effective for aggressive deep cuts and initial bites, so they typically exhibit a sharp edge longer than sets that experience more contact with the stump. When both edges of sets 1 and 2 are dull, they can be swapped with sets 3 and 4 or replaced entirely. Once again, when your new sets 1 and 2 begin to dull, flip them to the other side of the wheel for a fresh cutting edge. Here is what a dull VCS tooth looks like compared to a brand new tooth. Notice the wear on the cutting edge surface. This amount of wear will have an impact on cutting performance. To help get the most out of your VCS wheel and components, follow these helpful tips. Check your plunge cut teeth daily before operating to look for wear or damage. Routinely check all teeth for chips or excessive wear to know when to rotate or replace. Be sure to torque all teeth to 150 foot-pounds to ensure proper retention. Check your wear plates to ensure that your core is not experiencing excessive wear. As long as there is wear plate material and the bolt threads are not exposed, wear plates do not yet need to be replaced. Chips and material will remove paint and polish the center core during operation. This is normal and is not causing excessive wear to your VCS wheel. When properly maintained, your VCS wheel can provide you with hours of high-performance cutting, both above and below grade. To learn more about the Vermeer cutting system and all of our tree care equipment, reach out to your local Vermeer dealer.